YouTube, Don1914, back to bring you another review. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got an early look. So I copped this pair early off of BTSN. You see that right there? That's the label. I'm pretty sure I said it right? Yeah, BSTN store. So overseas, so they dropped them early. So and there's some reviews right now that's circulating that people dropped their reviews on them. So I said, this is a perfect day for me to go ahead and get this review out to you. So I want to do a how I style this shoe, and also want to do it on foot for you as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the shoe and get right into the review. So this box don't come with any tape, so I kind of like how they do their shipping, and they go ahead and box up the shoe. Easy tear away box. Yeah, okay. They always, with BSTN, they always got some type of slogan on their boxes, like when you open it. So, oh man, what does that say? So you can see right there, it's a family. This is a family channel here. We keep it clean, but you can read there. That's what it says on the box. Man. And then right here it says your neighborhood dope dealer. Your friendly neighborhood dope dealer, man. BTSN. Man, BSTN, y'all something else, boy. My receipt. BSTN card with a thank you. All right, so here's the box. You got a black box with your brown Nike on it. Looks like it's a Mocha type Nike print on it. Standard Jordan 1 box. Of course, all the Nike branding all over it. So here's the sizing tag. I do wear a size 10 in my Jordan 1s. Let's read the sizing tag. It says Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Sail Black Dark Mocha. And here's the shoe. Jordan 1 Low Mocha. So let's get right into it. Easy, quick review. Bottom of the sole, standard Jordan 1 outsole, and with that herringbone traction, all blacked out. Heel of the shoe, of course, we got that Mocha suede on the back of the shoe with your Wings logo. And let's see the material. Okay, yeah. It is a good material, as you can see. The back and forth motion, change of direction. Yeah, that is a good suede. And I do like how the Wings logo in the back is not like stamped on. It's actually like embossed into the material, if you can see that. I do like that. Midsole of the shoe, of course, you got that black outsole, sail midsole, white side panel with the black swoosh. I wish they would have did the bigger swooshes on this year models, but I think that's coming next year, where they're gonna start doing the enlarged swooshes. You got your classic black toe going around the toe cap, white toe box. You got your, looks like either a white or sail tongue with your Nike Air showing right there on the tongue in that Mocha with a black stamp behind it. See here, insole come with shoe paper, standard black insole with your Nike Air and that Mocha colorway. And whenever you get shoes from overseas, it does come with that type of stamp as well. And yeah, the medial side, same as the lateral. And that's pretty much the review. It comes with black laces, but I found some sail laces that I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a lace swap and see how they look with the sail laces and black laces as well. And yeah, man. And that's the review. So if I would say, what's the difference between the highs versus the lows? I would say it's clear, it's the tongue. So you can see one has that black panel in the back with the Mocha color Nike Air, and then one has the black panel with the sail Nike Air on the tongue. So that to me is pretty much the only difference. The Mocha color on the sides of the shoe is pretty much the same. You can see the highs are a little bit darker than the lows. Let's see, the leather, as far as the leather, they kind of feel the same actually. If you can see, I mean, you can't really tell by me doing this, but from me feeling the texture of the shoe, they kind of feel the same. So that's good that they gave us the same leather quality on the lows as they did the highs. So yeah, so that was the review, nice quick review. Tell me what you think about the Jordan 1 Low Mochas. Are you going for a pair when they do release? I think the release date is September 21st, so later on this month. Let me know if you're going for a pair. You know, this is a very nice pair. It's perfect timing. This time Nike really got it right with the timing. You know, it's fall, so they really got it right this time. So a great time to release this shoe. And yeah, I was on the fence of whether or not I was gonna cop the shoe since I do have the highs, but I mean, now that I have them in hand and I'm looking at them, I mean, yeah, they're definitely worth the cop, and they are clean, super clean. Yeah, so in my opinion, yes, if you do have the highs, these are still worth a definite cop, in my humble opinion. And I think you won't be disappointed once you get them in hand. So yeah, I'm feeling these, definitely. Yeah, these are fire. So how I style this shoe, you know, I'm going with a Travis Scott, you know, Cactus Jack shirt, sail shirt with some hits of brown in it. I'm going with the Boys in the Hood shorts. As you can see on the front, it has the Boys in the Hood, and it has in writing here in that sail type of colorway, "It ain't no fairy tale." Has the writing on the leg as well, "Once upon a time in South Central LA, it ain't no fairy tale." I got these from Shoe Palace, so they're Shoe Palace exclusive shorts. And yeah, I figured that would match well with the shoes, with the sail laces. And you can see on feet, of course, I got the Mocha Low with the sail laces, and that's how I style this shoe. So tell me what you think. Give me your thoughts down in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the on foot, and I do have another early review coming to you tomorrow. I do have the Howard University PE's Jordan 1 Low, so stay tuned for that. And until the next cop, until the next review, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.